Imagine this. You're backing out of a parking space and suddenly bump into another car or a pole. You look around and realize this happened on private property, not a public road. Now you're left wondering, will your car insurance cover this accident? Many drivers in the US are confused about how insurance works in parking lots or driveways. In this video, we'll break down how car insurance applies on private property. First, let's clarify what a private property accident is. It's any crash that happens off public roads, like in parking lots or driveways. Even on private property, most car insurance policies still apply, but it varies by coverage type. Insurance companies treat these accidents differently due to the lack of traffic signals and police presence. Determining fault can be trickier, but coverage doesn't disappear just because you're on private land. Liability coverage is crucial here. If you hit someone else's car or property, your liability insurance pays for the damage you cause. This includes repairs to the other vehicle and medical costs if someone is injured. For instance, if you bump into another car in a grocery store parking lot, liability insurance helps cover the repairs. Remember, liability only covers the other party's losses, not your own vehicle. If your car is damaged, collision coverage kicks in to help repair or replace it. This applies whether the accident is on a public road or private property. Let's say you hit a pole while parking. Liability won't help, but collision coverage will pay for your repairs after your deductible. This is why many drivers opt for collision coverage. Accidents can happen anywhere. Now let's talk about comprehensive insurance. While collision covers crashes, comprehensive protects against non-collision events like theft or vandalism. If a tree branch falls on your car while parked, comprehensive coverage helps pay for the damage. This insurance gives you peace of mind, whether your car is on the street or parked at a friend's house. One tricky part of private property accidents is figuring out who's at fault. Since police usually don't issue reports for these accidents, your insurance company will rely on evidence like photos or witness statements. Often, both drivers share some responsibility, especially in low-speed collisions. So, always gather evidence at the scene, no matter how minor the accident seems. If you find yourself in an accident on private property, stay calm and follow these steps. First, ensure everyone is safe. Next, take clear photos and videos of the scene, including vehicle positions and damages. Then, exchange information with the other driver, names, insurance details, and contact numbers. If the property owner is involved, let them know right away. Finally, contact your insurance company and file a claim as soon as possible. The sooner you report it, the smoother the process will be. There are situations where insurance might not cover private property accidents. For example, if you were driving without permission or using your car for commercial purposes without proper coverage, your claim could be denied. Also, if you don't have collision or comprehensive coverage, damages to your own car won't be covered. Always review your policy to ensure you have the right coverage for your driving habits. So, does car insurance cover accidents on private property? Yes, it usually does. Liability covers damage to others, collision covers your own repairs, and comprehensive covers non-collision events. Private property accidents can be confusing, but with the right insurance plan, you're protected no matter where it happens. If you want to ensure you have full coverage and the best rates, visit Alias Insurance to compare quotes from top providers in your area.